You might think the solution is just to save more, but the truth is, nobody knows your limits and opportunities better than you do. We are here to change your lens, empowering you to become the discoverer of your own opportunities and the conqueror of your limits.
This is your money, your income for today. Nobody knows your limits and opportunities better than you. Enjoying a coffee with a friend, part of your money is spent. Your income gradually turns into expenses. Another small expense, a pair of shoes. Your income gradually turns into expenses.
Even daily meals cost money. Your income gradually turns into expenses.
A fixed expense, paying rent. Your income gradually decreases as expenses accumulate.
Are you fed up with the same old cliches about saving money? We are here to help you see money through a completely different lens. Lying awake at night, feeling guilty about your spending? You might think the problem is what you bought, but it's actually how you manage it. Instead of giving up the things you love, it's time to shift your perspective on money coming in and going out.